Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about how does Pinterest work for business. Let's get started. Pinterest can be a source to showcase your brand and engage in the niche-related marketplace where most people are looking to purchase something. Pins help people discover new information about the products they are looking to buy. That is why pins from business accounts are linked to a website where people can land on their page and discover their content or online store. Pinterest can help business owners create brand awareness, increase website traffic, and generate leads, then eventually convert them as your buying customers. You can easily get traffic from Pinterest and drive traffic to your e-commerce store, blogs, by using pins to direct people to your site. Pinterest has over 300 million monthly users, and it's not possible to attract your target audience from those active users. Most active Pinterest users are from the United States, who are mostly women in the age of 25 to 54 years old. Over 8 million pinners are actively engaging on Pinterest with automated content. Over 90% of pinners use the platform to gather ideas for future purchase plans, and 40% of them have a household income of over $100,000. That is a huge number of audiences that you can target, and they can spend on products that they can discover on Pinterest. One of those products can be the products of your brand. You just need to apply the proper marketing strategies on your Pinterest account to attract these target audiences. If you haven't created a Pinterest business account yet, you might be missing out on the huge market that you can tap on, and these people might be interested in the niche related to your business. Pinterest can help you build your brand's image. It is the only search engine that provides visual content as graphics, referred to as pins, on its search results. People use it to look for new ideas and inspiration, and your brand's pins can appear on the search results. Then people can discover your Pinterest business account. It can easily show your customers who your brand is and what you do visually with all the pins and boards in your profile. Using Shop the Look pins to convert your leads to customers and increase your sales. There are pins where you can see white dots on multiple parts of a pin. This feature makes it powerful for brands and businesses since it allows you to tag multiple products in each pin, and each product gets tagged with a different product URL. It makes it easier for people to purchase your products right through the app. People want to do things fast. If you apply Shop the Look pins on your Pinterest pins, your target audience can discover your product and find it easier to purchase your products without searching for that product on your website. Your pins can help your products be discoverable since it can be linked to a URL. People can click on your pin and land on your website. As a business owner, you want to get the metrics of your pins and your performance as well. You can easily track your performance on Pinterest using its analytics. You can see which strategies and content work for your business to improve your marketing strategy on Pinterest. Most of the pins found on Pinterest are linked to business websites. Your target audience is most likely to use the platform to search for ideas, inspiration, and products to buy. With the right marketing strategy, they can discover your pins and land on your website. So start promoting your products and services on Pinterest so you don't miss out on potential leads and sales. Now that you know how does Pinterest work for business, we can now proceed to the next topic: Pinterest personal versus business accounts. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.